Peace, fam. It's your girl Jazz Avantí tapping in. Listen, tonight we're gonna talk about sacrifice. All right, as y'all can see, I'm en route, headed to the gym right now to go get some cardio. So yesterday or last night we talked about getting rid of bad habits, how to get rid of the bad habits that are not serving you. Tonight, I just wanted to talk about sacrifice, man. Like, to keep it all the way transparent with y'all, I do not feel like going to the gym. However, I have goals. And sometimes, man, you're not going to be motivated. You have to rely on the discipline. You have to rely on that vow that you made yourself. Like, for me, I made that vow to myself back in 2019 that I'm going to always do something that is going to get me to where I want to be at as far as my physical goals, my mental goals. I'm going to pour into myself every day. Even if I don't go to the gym that day, I'm going to do something to get somewhere, whether that be intellectually reading, looking at a podcast, right? Or stretching, doing some light cardio, something. I'm going to do something to get to the next level. There will never be a day that goes by and I do not pour into myself. So today is definitely one of those days where I do not want to get this cardio, but I'm gonna get it done anyway, man. Yesterday, I had a cheat meal. We gotta work that bad boy off, baby. Right? So I also wanted to come and tell y'all, listen, it ain't gonna always be peaches and cream. Sometimes, hey, I love referring to it as, putting in that pain. Listen, you gotta put that pain in. Nothing worth having comes without the pain, unless you are an heir to something or someone, or unless you got an inheritance. You feel me? So that's not my story. Everything I got to grind for it. You know what I'm saying? So I really don't resonate with that lane. I resonate with the people who got to get it out the way, who got to get it out the mud. I resonate with the people who have to make a way, who have to blaze their trail. And that's what we doing right here. On this page, that's what we do. We the trailblazers. There is no there's no way. We make a way. We can't even comprehend that. We make a way, right? So today I just wanted to, put that battery in your back. You feel like you don't want to get up and do something. Hey man, remember, like we talked about yesterday, is this going to get me closer to my goals, or is this going to take me away from my goals? Now, you definitely have to use your discernment. Now, if you've been going super duper hard and you need a rest day, then of course you rest. You do some stretches. You sit in a sauna. You do the things that is going to aid you. However, if you can truly dissect your days, your habits, and if you know you ain't been putting in 100%, hey man, let's go. Let's go, baby. I definitely want to apologize right now because this lighting is terrible. But hey man, this is what we doing. We gotta get it out the mud, right? Hey, I'm gonna get it together. I'm gonna definitely invest in me one of those lights. But however, listen, it ain't gonna be perfect. But like I said, y'all, hey man, sacrifice. Sacrifice is definitely gonna get you to the next level. Now, I definitely want to say this. I'm big on investments, right? Sacrifice definitely has a negative connotation. For me personally, I don't look at it as I'm sacrificing, because that's it's more so of a negative connotation. I'm looking at this as an investment, but for the grand scheme, for the for the majority of people, everybody love using the word sacrifice. So for the sake of the video and for the sake of the context, we're going to talk about sacrifice, right? So, but yeah, I don't want to continue to say the same things over and over. That's it. That's the message for tonight. And if you need help on your journey, if you need someone to hold you accountable, if you need help on cleaning up your nutrition, if you need help on a specific workout plan, whether that be in the gym or home, contact me. Also, if you want to tap in with me in more depth, you can hit me up on my TikTok, which is Jazz Avante. Also, my Instagram, Coach Jazz Avante. And yeah, subscribe to the channel. All right, I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. All right, love.